I'm John, and welcome to Tutorial. Let me share with you some of the difficult area of chemistry for most JAMB students, and that's organic chemistry. A lot of students struggle with this aspect. What is isomerism? Isomerism is the existence of two or more compounds with the same molecular formula but different structures. All right, so let's see if we can use that to find solution to this problem. All right, draw all the possible isomers from the formula C5H12. All right, this is the molecular formula. All right, a molecular formula is the formula that shows the actual number of elements present in a compound. This is hydrocarbon and it has C5 and H12. From the definition, I said isomers have the same molecular formula but different structures. So the question is just asking us, what are the different structures that we can draw from this? And that will mean different compounds. The first one is going to have 5C. Okay, that is C5. Then the other bonds will be hydrogen. This explains why most students usually find this difficult. You can see the structure looks like spider or millipede or whatever. So let's see how we are going to do this. All right, if you count this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is C5, then 5, 5, 2. So this compound has C5H12 and it is called pentane. Okay. Okay, so let's see if we can draw another structure that is different from this and is still going to have the 5 carbon atoms and 12 hydrogen atoms. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is to reduce this long chain, or else you'll be drawing the same thing over and over again. So let's reduce this chain to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have C4 there. The last C, if you place it here, it's still going to look like this. It's just like it's bending and we can easily rotate it back. So we're not placing it there, we are placing it here. Okay, so I pick everything to have hydrogen. Okay, so that is that. So you can count it for me now, you will see that it is still, I hope that is very clear there. All right, so let's see that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is still C5. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this particular compound also has C5 and H12, but the name is different from that one. This is a methyl group, and if you name from here 1, 2, 3, 4, so that shows that it's an alkane that has 4 carbon atoms. That's the surname of the compound, which is butane. If you find that difficult, you can watch one of my videos. I posted some days ago. Okay, so now look at this. The methyl group is attached to carbon number 2. So that shows that it is 2-methyl butane. Okay, so 2-methyl butane and pentane, they are both isomers because they have the same molecular formula, C5H12, but different structures. There is still one more compound, all right? But what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the structure, but I would like you to name it and drop your answers in the comment section. So let's see if I can draw the third structure that will have the same molecular formula and is going to have different structure from this. So the third one, I started from 5 chain, then I moved to 4, then this one I'm going to move to 3. All right, like I've said, if I put the next carbon here and put the next one here, it's still the same thing as this number 1. That is where most students have the problem, because just look at it as this is flexible. I can easily twist it and it looks like this. So that shows that it's still number 1. So most students do this and they name it and mess it up. So the point we're going to do is we're going to put the first one here and the next one here. So this looks different from this. Let me complete the hydrogen and see if it is still C5H12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can see why most students don't like organic chemistry. It looks like scorpion or crab. But once you look at it, it's very, very simple. Now look at this structure. This is different from all these three. So let's just count it so that you'll be sure that it has the same molecular formula C5H12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is C5. If you count the number of hydrogen, 3 in 4 places, that is H12. All right. Like I said, drop the name in the comment section.